Good morning, students of class 9. Welcome back to the online classes now. Let's do history, the French Revolution. So, we'll continue our lesson. In our previous class, we have talked about the three classes of French society, and the middle class. Since the prices of grain were very high, people started revolting. They were suppressed. They had no plan, no programs, no leadership and no finance, no means, because they were poor. And the middle class, a new society emerged, the middle class society. The educated people, they formed a new society. The educated people, such as lawyers, doctors, professors, rich merchants, traders, who were educated, they formed a society, and they were the one who started the revolution. And the peasants and the workers who were poor, they supported them. In our previous class we have talked about. So now here 1.3, a growing middle class. The growing middle class means educated, the people who are educated. And this is ka matlab show an end to privileges. According to these educated people, the privileges should be given to according to their merits, not by birth. Now let us see the idea of the middle class society. Now here middle class society means the educated people, based on freedom and equal laws. All are free and all must be looked after according to the equal laws and opportunities. The laws must be equal to all. All must get the opportunities and all must be free. The educated middle class people, their idea was like this: freedom for all, equality for all, equal before the laws for all, and opportunities for all were put forward. These ideas were put forward by philosophers. Philosophers means thinkers, such as John Locke. Here is one name we have learned. John Locke, he was a great philosopher. And Jean-Jacques Rousseau. There is another name, Jean-Jacques Rousseau. We understand by the name Rousseau. John Locke, Rousseau. These were great philosophers, thinkers. They thought that the people should get equal opportunity. All should be equal in front of the law, and all must be free. Their ideas were put forward. In his two treatises of government, this is a book. They were writers also. Two treatises of the government, John Locke. Locke tried to refute, prove the doctrine of divine and absolute right of the monarch. Two treatises of the government is written by John Locke. He tried to prove that the doctrine of the divine, the king, and absolute right of the monarch, it was mentioned. The king has this right, and it has to be abolished. The king has to be removed. So John Locke wrote two treatises of the government. And next, Rousseau, another thinker, philosopher, Rousseau carried the idea forward, proposing a form of government based on social contract between people and the representative. Rousseau added another idea. No, the government should be formed by the leaders who were chosen by the people. The contract between the people and the leaders. They must form the government and rule the country. So these two, John Locke and Rousseau, provided two ideas. The power of the government, the power of the king, whatever power the king has, it should be removed. Two treatises of the government. And Rousseau provided that the government should be formed by representatives who were chosen by the people. And next, in the spirit of the laws, the third philosopher, Montesquieu. Montesquieu wrote another book, The Spirit of the Laws. Remember, now who wrote what? John Locke wrote 2 treatises of the government. Rousseau provided that there should be representatives. Representative means leaders, elected by the people, and they will run the government. And the Spirit of the Laws, written by Montesquieu, propose means to put forward the idea, to say, to request, propose a division of power within the government. Once the government is formed by the representatives, the power should be shared between legislative, executive and judiciary. This idea Montesquieu gave to the people of France. Montesquieu proposed in the spirit of laws that there should be a division of power within the government between legislative, who makes laws, executive, who implement the laws, and judiciary, who provide the justice. So these three division of the three organs of the government, you can say, not division, three organs of the government, the power must be divided between these three. That is power sharing. This model of government was put into force in USA. Since America got independence long before French Revolution, this model was adopted in America once they got independence from the British government. This model was adopted in America, and this model, they got the idea. Since they were educated, they got the idea, and it was written in their book, and it was implemented later on. And this revolution actually was started by these educated middle class. The new society, not we are talking about first class, second class, third class. We are not talking about that second class. We are talking about the new society that was formed by the educated people. They were called middle class. And they started the revolution because there were writers, authors, artists, there were merchants who had the money to carry on the revolution. There were traders, professors, doctors, lawyers, teachers, all educated people. They knew that the country has to be free. Country must be freed from despotic kings. Poor people started agitation against the rise of food price, against the bread, and the rise of taxes. Poor peasants and workers, they revolted, but they were suppressed because they had no means, no money to carry on the revolution, no programs, no plan and no programs. So they failed. And seeing their failures, the educated people, they started this. First, they planned, they wrote the book, and in the book everything is mentioned, and later on the people, they started Jacobin clubs, and they implemented the ideas to set the country free from despotic kings. So we'll continue in our next class. This model of government was put into force in USA after 13 colonies were freed from the British government. So they got independence long before French Revolution. So we'll continue in our next class. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and go through online portal every day. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class.